What is up, you guys? It's Rissa, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone video. So before I get into this video, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and definitely don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you never miss out when I post a video. And yeah, so let's just dive right into it. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing that you see on my phone is in my lock screen. So it just says happy on there, clouds, calculator, sugar. It's just very pink aesthetic, you know what I'm saying, which is very opposite of what I'm wearing, but you know, that's fine. So when you open up my phone looks different than other people because I have a jailbroken phone. If y'all don't know what jailbreak is, it's just basically a thing where you can fix your phone, make it custom to you, and you know, if you look it up you can see how to do it on certain phones. I've been doing jailbreak since I was like in high school, so I'm very familiar with it, but a lot of people don't know what that is, but it's a thing. So yeah, I jailbroke my phone so it looks really pretty. It has like the little, you know, gradient effect on all my apps, so I just like it for that reason. And as you can see on the top right corner, my phone percentage is different than how yours might look. So what's also different about my phone is that I have colored notifications, so you can see like all that. I'm gonna text myself so you can see it. So my wallpaper looks like this. Like as you can see right here, it's like rose petals, so you can just change the background of your iMessage and all that type of stuff. So the first thing that I have is basic stuff. So I have calendar, photos, camera, maps, clock, settings, phone. In here I have voice memos, contacts, watch, FaceTime, Google Maps, Find My iPhone. Those are like my most used apps if I like ever had to go in this folder, if that makes sense. I have like shortcuts, compass, clips, GarageBand, with all the stock apps that are on the iPhone is in there. And then I have App Store, Notes, Calculator, Safari, and then at the bottom I have Messages, Instagram, Music, and Snapchat. So if you guys want to follow, I posted on my story. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's @itsrissa. Yeah, so if you want to follow me on there, and if you want to add me on Snapchat, you can see my pajamas. Oh my god, I have it's Rissa YT for my Snapchat, so that's my Snap. And then you slide over, I have my books. Have GroupMe, Blackboard, Quizlet, Outlook, and Word. And GroupMe is a basic text app, so you can text like your teachers, and you know, if you're in a group chat with other people and you don't want them to have your number, then that's the app for you. Blackboard is just where you can find all of your assignments and stuff like that. Quizlet, Outlook is my email for school, and Word. So as you know, I am a college and I start August 5th. I'm going for my bachelor's in sociology, so hopefully that doesn't change, but so far that's what I'm going with, sociology. And yeah, so I got my associates in medical office admin, so I can work while I go to school, so that's pretty good what I did. So yeah, the next folder I have is my gym. So I have Health, Clue, and Clue is just my period app, 30-day workout, butt workout, and Heads Up. And I don't know why Heads Up is in there, just we're gonna leave that in there though. I have my camera app. Now this is where all the magic happens on my Instagram. Like literally these apps will change the way you look at your photo after you took it, because sometimes I'm like, I hate the way I look, but then I go on these apps and I'm like, okay. So the first app on here, I'm gonna change this around while we're here actually. Okay, so the first thing I have on here is Snapseed, and Snapseed can literally change your photos for the better. So I just open up something and I'm gonna edit a photo that I had. So this photo is already edited pretty much, but as you can see everything, like that detail, the smoothness of my face, and just everything. So basically what you do for that is you go to Tools and you go to Tune Image, and you can just pick like brightness, contrast, saturation, warmth, and it just changes everything. It looks super nice. I have Visco, which I don't really use that often, but it's just a filter app. Airbrush, if you have any pimples on your face, you can take that off. Facetune, I use that to, like, if I have highlight on my photo and you can't really see it, I use that to make the highlight pop more. Avaton, this is a really cool app. I have this photo, right? If I go to effects and I click search, I can type in sun, and it'll just give me a bunch of like sun presets that I can use. So so I'll just try to use one. This one, I guess, I don't know, but it just makes it look like you're outside in the sun. If you're indoors, this is a really good filter because it can look like you're standing in front of a window that has blinds, and it just looks really, really nice. Prequel, oh my god, Prequel is the best app ever if you want like an aesthetic photo or aesthetic video. Okay, so I have this one from my TikTok, so we'll just go to like filters, Miami, and it'll just make it look like that. You know that edit that you see everywhere, it will make it look like that. Perfect 365, I haven't used that yet. Lightroom is just the same editing app if you want like an aesthetic, like pastel preset or whatever. Photoshop, I don't use this, so I'm gonna delete that app because I don't really use it. I have is Afterlight. It's the same thing as VSCO, but you have to pay for it, so I think it's like $1 or something like that. So that's what that is. Into Live, so you can change your videos into live photos, so you can use it for your lock screen. Fuji is just an old editing app. Eraser, this one is just to make, you can erase your body to make it like transparent. Pixar is where I edit my thumbnails sometimes. Lomotif is just to make a collage of all your videos. Fonto, also for thumbnails, is just, you know, for text and stuff like that. Rad VHS is the same thing as Prequel pretty much. Blur Photo is if you want to blur something out of your photo that you don't want people to see. Cure Plus, this is where, you know, you can make anything bling and pop. So if I take a photo like this, I can make this like blinding you. So yeah. Camera Connect Canon, this is for my Canon 27X. So if I want to take a thumbnail, I can take it from here and just, you know, press the button. Next thing that I have is Superimpose X, which is also for thumbnails if you want to use it. Square Ready Video to shrink your videos down. Dazcam, Sway, Color Story, Jadu, Meme Deep Fryer, all just the same editing apps. I don't know why I have all these apps on my phone, to be honest. I have Polar, never use. Video Speed is just to make it look like those velocity edits that, you know, it slows down, gets fast, slows down, fast. Snow, Moldiv, I don't know what these are. Video Star, InShot, Video Leap, in Video Shop, and Splice. Video Leap is what I use for TikTok, just to make it like zoom in and zoom out on my TikToks, make it look cool. And Square Fit. The next one I have is my banking stuff. So I have USAA, YouTube Studio, AdSense, Cash App, PayPal, Wallet, Starbucks, Depop, and Goat. And then I have my music. So I have Pandora, SoundCloud, Spotify, Music, Alexa. I don't know why I have Newsbreak. Everything is so like it's not organized. It's in a folder, but it's in the wrong place. But I have Shark Clean. See, like, why is that in the music section? I have Disney Plus, Netflix, and Hulu. I have Facebook, Messenger, Gmail, Google Drive, Triller, My Verizon, Target, Ulta Beauty, which should be somewhere else. And then I have Instagram followers. See, like, it should be in my clothing section. Y'all, I need to fix my phone. But you know what? This is me. This is how I go through my phone daily. So y'all are getting the real thing. The next one I have is random, I guess. I have Amazon, Fandango, Tasty, Pinterest, Realtor.com, Yelp, Nike, Docs, and McDonald's. And I personally love looking at Tasty. I can't cook, but you know what? I go on Tasty and I just want to try every recipe on there because it's like, it gives detailed instructions on how to cook. And I do have a cooking video on my other channel, which is my main channel. I will leave up here. And I made a Oreo cheesecake. So if y'all want to check that out, I will leave a link up there. Yeah, and then I have games. So I have Temple Run, Call of Duty, Tap Tap Music, Gradient, Translator, Volico, Zillow, and House Party. Literally, why is Zillow not with Realtor.com? They're house apps. So why is it in my gaming folder? I don't understand, but we're just gonna ignore that. And then I have apps that I use every day out. So I have YouTube, Twitter, Google, Weather Channel. I control from my house, Episode, TikTok. Don't judge me, I use Episode, but I haven't been using it lately. Ever since I downloaded TikTok, I have like nothing has caught my attention anymore except YouTube, obviously. But like I played Episode every single day, and now I don't even go on it anymore. And I'm like, bruh, because I used to buy like the 30-day tickets and stuff like that. My TikTok is @itsrisayt if you want to follow me on there. So yeah, that is my TikTok if you want to follow me. And then I have my clothing section. So I have Fashion Nova, Honey Bum, Sephora, PLT, which is Pretty Little Thing, Attica, Etsy, eBay, and Shein. So I have all those apps in there. And then I have my jailbreak apps, which y'all don't really care about, because unless you have a jailbroken phone, then this is probably what you would care about. But these are all the apps that I need to have my phone jailbroken, so I just have it in a little folder at the bottom. And I have these 3 apps right here because this is when TikTok was freaking out for a couple of days, because we thought that the app was going to get deleted or banned, and that hasn't happened yet, thank gosh. But if it does, I already have accounts to like dub smash, like, and bite, which makes me want to throw up, because those apps, I don't know, they don't sit right with me. TikTok is where it's at, and these apps just like the setup is just very, very ugly. I don't like it. So hopefully they fix that in the future, but hopefully we don't need it, because TikTok is going to be around, but we don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much all that's on my phone. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some other videos that you guys want to see from me next, and I will definitely try to do that. So I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.